It's Joel's favorite Bay Laurel nut recipe. These fruit fell from the California Bay Laurel tree, a relative of the avocado. First, you have to remove the squishy flesh off of the pit. The pit is about the size of a macadamia nut, but with a much thinner shell so it's easier to crack. Once all the shells have been removed, pour the nuts onto a cookie sheet. Make sure all the nuts are split into halves so they will cook evenly in the oven. Drizzle cooking oil over all of the nuts. Then sprinkle some salt. Spread the oil and salt over all surfaces so the nut can cook evenly in the oven. Flatten everything out. We are now ready to roast. 375 at 30 to 40 minutes. But you're going to have to watch these very carefully. We don't want to burn them, but we don't want to undercook them either. You want a fairly consistent brown coloring throughout the nuts. These look perfect. Can't wait to devour them. So addictive.